Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu states that he used to lease out land until this hadith reached him, that Hazrat Rafi bin Khadij radiyallahu anhu enjoined from leasing out land. Hazrat Abdullah radiyallahu anhu whereupon meet him and said, O Ibn Khadij radiyallahu anhu, which hadith do you narrate from Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam in connection with leasing out land? Hazrat Rafi bin Khadij radiyallahu anhu said to Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu, I have heard my two uncles, the Badr participants, report from the people of the house that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam has prohibited leasing out land. Hazrat Abdullah radiyallahu anhu said, I know that land was given on lease in Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam times. Then Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu was overtaken by this fear that perhaps Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam issued some new commands which he might not know. So he stopped leasing out land. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 3921.